RevMonkey. Sounds good.
Yeah, does it?
Yeah,
Careful, we'll accelerate quickly.
Huh?
Careful, or we'll accelerate quickly.
That's alright. Go for it.
Yeah, I'm a motorcyclist at heart.
Yeah.
Like this, I've got a 5-blade SP2 and a D.C.R.
Yeah. Yeah, it's easier to drive that. Safer as well.
Yeah, a lot safer. I've had 5 accidents on motorbikes.
Wow. Yeah, safer in there.
That's because I'm a nutter. I'm shooting
Ah.
on motorbikes.
There you go.
I'm mostly track now.
Great car though. Did you take it on track?
Yeah, I've been on track twice. It's phenomenal.
Yeah. What track?
Really good. The balance is amazing.
What track did you go on?
Donington and Castle Coon so far.
Nice. Yeah.
We'd love to go on the Brands Hatch.
Brands Hatch, the big one. Yeah.
Or both. Yeah.
See you later. He's a nutter. Oh, they're all nutters. Easy to be a nutter in a car. Yeah. Easy to be a nutter in a car. Less so in a bike.